In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're making a small tweak or overhauling several accounts, these steps will guide you toward achieving a smoother accounting experience. First, let's navigate to where we need to start. Look to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface and locate the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to many settings and features within QuickBooks, and it's vital for managing your financial accounts effectively. Once you click on the gear icon, a menu will appear. From this drop-down menu or window, your next selection will be Chart of Accounts. This option takes you directly to the heart of your financial organization, the chart of accounts, the structured list of a company's financial accounts. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of your chart of accounts displayed. Each entry on this list represents a specific account categorized under assets, liabilities, income, or expenses. Understanding this list is crucial as it directly impacts how transactions are recorded and reported in your financial statements. To edit an account, you'll need to find the specific account you want to modify within this list. Next to each account entry, there's a small caret icon. It might look a bit like a tiny arrow pointing down. Clicking this icon will drop down a menu with several options. In this menu, you will select Edit. This selection opens up a new window where you have the opportunity to make your desired changes to the account. Here, you can amend account names, numbers, or details that might need updating, keeping everything relevant and accurate. As you make changes, take a moment to review them to ensure everything is correct. Accuracy is crucial, as errors in your chart of accounts can ripple through your financial transactions and reports. Once you're satisfied with your edits, look towards the bottom of this window and find the Save button. Clicking Save will apply your changes, updating your chart of accounts accordingly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully edited your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. These changes will help ensure that your financial data remains precise and meaningful, aiding in better decision-making and reporting. Regularly reviewing and updating your chart of accounts is a good practice, allowing you to maintain a streamlined and accurate financial overview of your business. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore the other features in QuickBooks that further enhance your financial management. Until next time.